My name is Ashley Foster, and I'm an instructional designer with Oregon State University's eCampus. Today I'm going to share a course that demonstrates two standards of best practice from the Quality Matters 5th edition rubric. The standards covered in this video include 2.3, which states, all learning objectives or competencies are stated clearly and written from the learner's perspective, and Standard 2.4, which communicates that the relationship between learning objectives or competencies and the course activities is clearly stated. The course being showcased within this video is Counseling 577, Applied Psychopathology and Psychodiagnostics. This course was chosen because the course clearly articulates student learning outcomes and the academic program's accreditation standards, differentiates graduate level outcomes, and connects those outcomes with learning activities and assessments. Within the syllabus, the instructor has established a numbering convention for the course learning outcomes, accreditation standards, and the graduate level learning outcomes. In addition, the instructor identifies the standards and learning outcomes the students can meet upon successful completion of course assessments. Within the Start Here course orientation, the instructor has also created a detailed table which clearly identifies the student learning outcomes with a numbering convention, includes a short narrative describing the learning outcomes, connects the course learning outcomes with the program's accreditation standards and graduate level learning outcomes, and then aligns those outcomes with the course learning activities and assessments. At the module level within each overview page, the instructor has identified the clinical mental health standards associated within a given week and has clearly articulated measurable learning outcomes for that module. Moving to the activity level of the course, in the descriptions of all activities, assignments, and assessments, specific standards are clearly articulated, which the student can meet after successful completion of those course elements. This course is a valuable example of how to integrate clear outcomes systemically throughout a course in areas such as the course orientation, the syllabus, weekly overviews, and within the learning activity and assessment descriptions, as well as the course clearly articulates the alignment of accreditation standards and learning outcomes with course activities, assignments, and assessments. Lastly, this course has done an excellent job of communicating outcomes and standards in a way that can be easily understood by learners within the context in which they will need it. Thank you for taking the time to view this showcase of the QM Standards 2.3 and 2.4.